Hello, young learners. Welcome to online class. My appearance is before you to run a class for the students of class 10. Dear learners, our today's class is English second paper, and for the students of class 10, dear learners, I hope that you are a hale and hearty by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Dear learners, let me show you some sentences on the board. Dear learners, listen to me and look at the board. If you help me, if I went there, if I had seen you, the boy who works hard, unless you work hard, dash. The learners, do you know what our today's lesson may be? I think you have understood about our today's lesson. Our today's lesson is completing sentence. Completing sentences. Dear learners, today I will discuss if who or which it is high time and less related completing sentences one by one for your better understanding. Dear learners, first I will discuss if related completing sentence. Look at the board. A. Dear learners, A. The Bangla meaning of A, Jodi. It's a conjunction, and it is a subordinating conjunction. Dear learners, in my previous classes, I discussed different clauses and different conjunction. I think you had followed our previous classes on different clauses and simple, complex, and compound sentences. If you followed this previous classes, it would be very beneficial for you to understand our today's topic. If that means Bangla meaning of it, Jodi. There in completing sentences, if acts in three categories. First, I show you the three if related structures. Then I will discuss some sentences according to structures. First one is if plus present plus future. Number two, if plus past plus future in the past. Number 3, if plus past perfect plus future in the perfect. Dear learners, look at the board. Future in the past means would plus be1. Future in the perfect means would have plus B3. I think you have understood the three structures. Now I am going to show you some examples according to these structures. Before showing different sentences or examples, dear learners, I will discuss the structures one by one for your better understanding. Dear learners, look at the board here. If plus present plus future. Dear learners, there are two parts in a sentence. In three structures, there are two parts of a sentence. If then one sentence which will be present form of the verb, and then you must set a comma. Then the sentence will be future indefinite or future tense. Dear learners, then if plus first plus future in the past. That means if plus sentence which verb will be first form, then comma, then the sentence will be future in the past. Dear learners, future in the past means would plus V1. Then if plus first perfect, that means if plus subject plus head plus verb 3 plus comma plus future in the perfect means another sentence will be future in the perfect, means subject plus would have plus principal verb with the first participle form. Dear learners, let me show you some examples according to the structure. First one, if you help me, comma, dash. Dear learners, follow the example. If plus subject plus verb with present form plus extension, that means object. Dear learners, it is a subordinate clause. Then you will set a sentence which will be future form or future tenses. If you help me, if we discuss or place this Bangla meaning of this sentence, then it will be if you help me, যদি তুমি আমাকে সাহায্য করো, যদি তুমি আমাকে সাহায্য করো, then we will set such kind of sentences in this portion which must be matched with this part. If you help me, I will succeed in life. Dear learners, look at the board. If plus present plus future. Then I will show you the structure number 2. According to this structure, I will show you an example. If you help me, I would succeed in life. Dear learners, here the verb is first form. It is the structure of if plus past, means verb will be first form. Then another sentence or principal clause will be future in the past, means the modal auxiliary will be first form. Okay? Then number 3, if I had, if you had helped me, I would have succeeded in life. The learners, notice here that the verb is first perfect. That means if plus subject plus verb first perfect form, had plus B3 means first perfect tense. Then future in the perfect means would have plus B3. These are the if related maximum completing sentences. Dear learners, I think you have understood this type of completing sentences. Then I will show you who or which যে বা যারা যেটি or যেগুলো The learners, now I will show you the who and which related completing sentences. Number 1, the boy who works hard dash. The learners, notice here that who, the boy who works hard. The learners notice that after who there is a verb is present form. Then you will set a verb here with the verb of future form or present form, matching this part of the verb. The boy who works hard, the boy who, dear learners, notice here that the boy is the antecedent of who. That means who is said here followed the word. This type of word is antecedent. If the verb is present form, then to complete the sentence, you will set some other part of the sentences. If you find such kind of who related completing sentences, you must complete it with the setting the verb here. The boy who works hard. The Bangla meaning of the sentences: the boy, balokti, যে কাজ করে, কঠোর পরিশ্রম করে, will or can shine in life. I will show you another sentence for your better understanding. It is the boy who dash. The learners remember that after who, the sentence will be start with a verb. It is the boy. The Bangla meaning of this part of the sentence, it is the boy. এই হয় বালকটি যে is responsible for this. The learners is will be said here following the word which is said before who is responsible for this. The learners I think you have understood the who related completing sentences. Dear learners, then I will show you which related completing sentence. The boy is reading a book which dash. The learners notice that here the word which. If you find such kind of sentences in a completing sentence, after which you will complete it using a verb, then extension. The boy is reading a book. বালকটি বই পড়তেছে, একটি বই পড়তেছে যেইটি। তাহলে it will be which is interesting. Which is interesting. Dear learners, I think you have understood the two types of completing sentences. Dear learners, I will show you the another completing sentence related word, unless. That means যদি না। Dear learners, যদি না, if not, if not, unless you study or dash. The learners follow like if in the unless related completing sentence will be followed by the if related structures. Open it is with unless plus present form of verb in a completing sentences. Unless you study hard, যদি না, the Bangla meaning of this part, যদি না তুমি কঠোর পড়াশোনা করো, then you will fail in the exam. Fail in the exam. Dear learners, I think you have understood this topic. Then I will show you. It is heightened related completing sentence. It is heightened. Dear learners, it is heightened. That means the Bangla meaning of this phrase is of this sentence is উপযুক্ত সময় or appropriate time, suitable time. The structure of this completing sentence will be it is high time, it is high time plus subject plus V2 plus extension. The learners, it is an easy completing sentence if you give your mind in understanding the structure of this completing sentence. I will show you an example. This high time. It is high time. Then we did the work. Did the work. Dear learners, it is high time we did the work. Dear learners, though it is the first form of the verb, it will express the meaning of present sense. It is high time we did the work. The Bangla meaning of this sentence is কাজটি করার এখনই উপযুক্ত সময়. If you want, you may use another sentences here matching this sentence. We left the place. We left the place. We helped the poor. Or we worked hard. Dear learners, as you wish, you may use different types of sentences after it is heightened. You must remember that the verb must be first form after subject. After subject. I think you have got the point very clearly or easily. Then I will show you another conjunction related completing sentence, and it is very interesting word I think. Dear learners, lest, lest. Dear learners, lest is a negative word. It is used in a negative sentence. So, after lest, the sentence does not take or not or negative sense. Dear learners, lest. The Bangla meaning of this sentence, of this word is কোনো কিছু ঘটার আশঙ্কা আছে, কোনো কিছু ঘটার আশঙ্কা আছে বা ভয়ের ব্যাপার আছে, কোনো কিছু না করলে। The structure of this word is principal, clause plus lest plus subject plus should plus B1 plus extension. Dear learners, let me show you some sentences according to the structure. What first? What first? Lest dash. Dear learners, look at the board. What first? Lest. The Bangla meaning of this part is দ্রুত হাঁটো, নচে তা না হয় এই ভয়ের আশঙ্কা আছে। Then you will set a subject, then should miss the train. Dear learners, look at the board. If there is a sentence or principal verb is started with the verb, that means imperative sentence, then you will use after lest as a subject you, then should. In all sentences after lest, should is a must. should is mandatory. Then after should, I know the principal verb is present form. So I will show you another sentence related list. He walked fast, lest he should meet the train. The learners notice that here the verb is first form before lest, and here the verb is present form. In both cases, the lest, after lest part of the sentence is unchanged or same. That means subject plus should plus verb V1. It will be completed in such a way, the learners, verb is past or present. After lest, the should is a must. The learners, he worked fast. The learners remember that if there is a subject before lest, the same subject will be after lest. He. The learners, I think you have understood the point or lest related completing sentence very clearly. Dear learners, you know it is a recorded class, then it has to be uploaded. If the file or video is longer, the uploaded in time of uploading, it may create sometimes problem. So we cannot make bigger our classes in spite of having the which. Dear learners, now I will give you some homework for your better understanding. You will solve this problem at your home. Homework. Number 1, run fast. Less. Then 2, come forward to help them. Come forward to help them. Less than. Number 3, the students who dash. Number 4, the man who dash cannot shine in light. Then number 5, it is high tide. It is high tide. Then number 6, it is hell. Which dash. Number 7, if they went to school, if they went to school, dash. Number 8, if you get up early in the morning, if you get up early in the morning. The learners, these are our homework. This is the end of the class. Thank you all.